Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Happy birthday if it's your birthday. I am on the struggle bus today, I'm not gonna lie. Last night, Connor and I did a little Wine Wednesday Catan night with Tara, and we drank a lot. Quite a few shots were had. I drank most of a bottle of wine, and everyone knows wine hangovers are the worst. Luckily, I'm not feeling too bad, all things considered. I'm just really tired mostly and dehydrated. My lips are so dry. Lord Jones products coming in handy on hangover days. This is their CBD lip balm. It's so good. And let's see, this is Lord Jones too, right? Yeah, this is their like body oil roller. This is so good on my head when I'm feeling a little hungover. Just right here on some of these pressure points. This all just feels like a nice little massage. And then the CBD oil helps so much. No more pain, please. I did just want to start this video though by letting you guys know something sort of exciting. I've sort of gotten a hint from the title, I'm sure. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I am doing a little collaboration with this app called Stereo. This video is not sponsored or anything, but I wanted to let you guys know because my very first Stereo is going live. So basically it is an app where it's sort of like a podcast because you don't see the person's face, it's all voice, but it's live. So you can come on live and actually leave me voice messages that I can then listen to and respond to during the podcast, which is really fun. And even if you're not there live, the podcast still stays on my page, so you can go back and watch later. Since I'm filming this so early, I'm not totally sure what time the podcast will be live, but I will know by the time this video is going up, so I'm gonna put it in the description. That way you guys can come and, you know, join live. Or if you can't come live, obviously just come through anytime and give it a listen afterwards. I think it's gonna be cool. So I'm doing 3 different shows with them, and I just sort of want to test it out, see what it's like, and from there we'll decide sort of whether it's something that I want to continue doing. But I think it's gonna be a fun, you know, 3 different shows. I have a few different concepts that I'm gonna be doing. Again, all of that's still sort of being sorted out with the brand when I'm filming this, so it's hard to say exactly what each of the shows will be. But I'm pretty sure that one of them is going to be college stories, and I'm gonna be reading through that journal that I found when I was moving a little bit, which I think will be really fun and funny. It's also cool because there's a co-host for each show, so I'm getting a couple of my friends to come on. I think for my college one, Andrew's gonna be on with me, which will be really fun because we have a lot of really fun and funny college stories to share. So yeah, anyway, I think it's gonna be cool. Go check it out, download the app. I'm gonna have information down below for you guys, way more information than I have right now to share with you. And come join in the fun. I think it's gonna be good. But anyway, just wanted to let you guys know right in the beginning here, that way you can come and check it out, and honestly we'll see where the rest of this day and vlog goes. I think it's gonna be a pretty lazy one. I was talking with Kate about her coming over and us watching High School Musical, which honestly sounds great for a hangover day. So I have to follow up with her, but I think that that's happening later this evening, which should be fun. And in the meantime, I really am just gonna be vegging. I'm actually out working the living room right now because I'm watching the HBO Tiger Woods documentary with Connor. It's sort of interesting learning about his life. I'm not really a big, well, I hate golf and I really am not a fan of Tiger Woods and all of the stuff that happened, but it's interesting hearing about his life and everything that happened. Anyway, I'm watching that, but then I'm gonna come in here and work from bed, I think, today. If there was ever a day to work from bed, it is today. And I wanna put on The Bachelor while I work.
You want to get out, Molly Cat? You think we should go make lunch? Okay, here we go. Door's gonna open. Watch out. What is going on out here?
Making a sandwich.
Making a Sammy.
All right, I am just working on lunch now. I decided today I'm going to make some curry ramen noodles, something I've not made in a long time. It's always so good every time I make it, but I feel like it just never comes to me. But I have quite a bit of the Trader Joe's yellow curry in my cabinet, so I want to start using that. I'm just cooking the noodles right now. I think these noodles. No! So many noodles down.
Oh no!
Fuck. No. All right, boil this again. Disaster. Let's try this again, shall we?
All right. Round two?
Yeah, round two. Throw in
Ew.
zucchini. What?
Subway's tuna does not contain tuna, lossy cleanse.
Oh God. That's why I get veggie sandwiches from them. I don't trust that meat. It is ridiculous how non-stick this always pan
I know,
is.
it's unbelievable.
Like I literally have never seen anything like it. So this is the curry sauce I like to use. Trader Joe's Thai style yellow curry sauce. It is so good. You can use it in like a million different ways. I like mixing it into broths for like a curry broth as well. Today I'm just sort of in the mood for just the noodles, no broth, but it is so good. So I just put a little bit in the pan here, seasoning up my veggies. I'm gonna throw my noodles back in now. Make sure everything gets a good coating. Yeah. I'm just gonna throw in a touch of vegetable broth just to like get some more liquid in there. This is what we're working with here. It is looking so good. I think that we're pretty much done. This is it. All right, let's go eat. Lunch in bed today. I like it. Honestly, wouldn't have it any other way. Oh, there goes Molly Cat following me, as always. Wouldn't have it any other way on a hangover day, let's be honest. Hi, Molly Cat. My little sidekick Shadow. Oh, it's definitely about to start raining, you guys, like any minute now, and I am so freaking excited. It is going to be so nice. It's gonna rain all night long, and all day tomorrow we're gonna get thunderstorms, and I am so pumped. It's going to be just a perfect start to a very, hopefully, chill weekend. It's 4:30 now, lunch was delicious, and I still have to work on editing a video, so that's what I'm gonna work on for the rest of my day here. But that's the last thing, no big deal. It hasn't been my most productive day, or I guess like I got everything done that I wanted to get done. I just have been slow about actually making it happen. Also, since it got really like gray and gloomy and I'm just like not feeling my best with this hangover, Kate and I decided to rain check. And we're gonna watch High School Musical this weekend instead. Anyway, I'm very excited because I have a box here, which is actually from Revolve Beauty, and I've never gotten a Revolve Beauty box before, so I'm super pumped about this and to see what is inside. Got it. Wow, that is a beautiful looking box. Ooh, what is this? It's called The Pill. It's like a CBD face topical, and I actually have never really found a CBD skincare product that I loved. There have been like obviously ones that I like and you know use occasionally, but very excited to try this. Oh, it looks like some Hum Nutrition. Oh, this box. Glow Sweet Glow Skin Hydration for the ultimate glow. Love that. Little gummies. Holistic deodorant. Always looking to try new deodorants, all natural deodorants. Oh, sanitizing wipes for your hands. That's always good to have on hand right now. On hand. Lots of puns in this clip. Oh, body brush. See, I've never gotten into this. I've heard that it's actually a little bit painful, but it's supposed to be really good for you, so definitely gotta try that. Let's see, instant refreshing gel. I guess you use this after working out or if you're sore, and it hydrates and just like relaxes and sculpts your, you know, legs, arms, wherever. Oh, I am very excited about this. Ooh, and tons of really cute colors. Okay, these are all from Bala, which is a workout brand. If you guys haven't heard of them, they have these really nice like weights that you can put on your wrists or your ankles to just like intensify your workout. And I've never had workout bands at home myself before, so I am super excited for this. And so many pretty colors. I love it. Okay, we have to like put this back together so I can get a photo of it. Gotta get it for the gram, you guys know. All right, anyway, just thought I would do that quickly for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and get back to work now and hope that this vlog gets edited very quickly. I'm hoping that it's an easy one for me. The rain has officially started and I am so excited about it. We cracked open a window out here, that way we can listen to it. I'm so pumped.
Ready for a peaceful night.
Yes, it's gonna be like this for the next 24 plus hours, which I'm very into.
Look at that, so rainy. I love it.
So rainy.
And Connor and I are watching the second episode of Snowpiercer, which is a TNT show, but it's on HBO Max if you have that. Very weird show, very trippy, very interesting. My dad highly recommended that we watch it, so there you go. Also, I have this little zit coming up on my face, which I'm really annoyed about because I don't have like any products for it right now, unfortunately. We're just gonna hope for the best with this guy, I guess. Guys, our dinner just got here and it's the best dinner of all. Sugarfish. Oh, I was really craving this today. This is going to be so good.
It's been a while since we've done like really good sushi.
Yeah, and we balled out a little bit.
Which we never do at Sugarfish.
I know, but I just, it felt right.
Saying? We always do. I guess Nozawa was always kind of balling out.
Yeah, that's true. But we usually don't get extras.
And we did. And we did.
Look at how beautiful though. Oh, I'm so excited. I obviously have to take a million photos of it. I am so excited. Oh.
Yummy.
This is the best sushi. I'm so excited. There's just so much sushi. And I am so excited. I can't believe we got these extras. I am pumped. Pumped.